To process Apple Pay two-factor authentication, start by understanding what two-factor authentication is. Two-factor authentication is a security process that requires a user to provide two different authentication factors to access an account or make a transaction. In the case of Apple Pay, two-factor authentication is used to add an extra layer of security to your transactions. To process Apple Pay two-factor authentication, you will need to have a compatible Apple device and a credit or debit card that is eligible for Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your Apple device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a new card. You will be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered your card details, you will be asked to verify your card with your bank. This is where two-factor authentication comes in. Your bank may send you a verification code via text message or email, or you may be asked to call a phone number to verify your identity. If you receive a verification code, enter it into the Wallet app to complete the verification process. If you are asked to call a phone number, follow the prompts to verify your identity. After you have verified your card, you will be able to use Apple Pay to make transactions. When you make a transaction, you will be prompted to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, depending on your device. This is an additional layer of security that ensures that only you can make transactions with your Apple Pay account. By following these steps, you can process Apple Pay two-factor authentication and add an extra layer of security to your transactions. Best practices for using Apple Pay two-factor authentication include keeping your device and account information up to date, using a strong passcode, and being cautious when receiving verification codes or calls from your bank. By following these best practices, you can help to protect your account and prevent unauthorized transactions.